Beneath one of the largest cities on Earth, a hidden underground megastructure stands ready to confront catastrophic flooding before disaster strikes. Built with colossal shafts, gigantic tunnels, and massive hydraulic machinery, Tokyo G-CANS became one of humanity's greatest underground engineering achievements ever constructed. The giant underground megastructure started with dangerous geological investigations deep beneath the streets of Tokyo. Before the construction of the massive underground flood system, engineers established precise geological baseline conditions. Continuous core extraction revealed critical information about unstable clay density and underground hydrostatic pressure conditions. Advanced laser profiling systems map the complex underground sediment layers beneath the Tokyo metropolitan basin. Comprehensive geological analysis ensured the future underground structures could withstand enormous hydraulic and tectonic pressure. Sinking the enormous vertical shafts established the primary intake structures for the underground flood diversion system. Continuous shotcrete stabilization protected the circular shaft walls against collapsing earth pressure during deep excavation. Massive underground excavation required synchronized drainage systems to control constant groundwater intrusion at extreme depths.
Aligning now, watch the pressure on the east side.
Pressure is good. Torquing bolts.
Confirmed. Move to the next segment.
Each completed cylindrical shaft became a monumental intake structure capable of absorbing catastrophic floodwater overflow. Connecting the giant underground intake shafts required precision horizontal excavation using massive earth pressure balance TBMs. Continuous bentonite pressure control prevented dangerous ground settlement within Tokyo's unstable water-saturated soil layers.
角度を調整しますね。もう少し右にか。境界は安泰ましたね。
Specialized Japanese underground construction crews monitored the continuous muck extraction process to maintain excavation stability.
水圧を確認です。やんとしていますね。
The completed underground conduit network became the primary floodwater transfer artery beneath the Tokyo metropolitan area. Installing reinforced concrete lining rings transformed the raw excavated tunnel into a permanent floodwater conduit structure.
セグメント差右に2センチです。
確認。よしで定位置後。
The vacuum segment erector positioned massive prefabricated tunnel modules within extremely precise structural tolerances underground.
It's filling the gap now. Okay, maintaining pressure. Tell me when it seals.
Specialized sealing systems and pressure grout injection protected the underground waterway from groundwater infiltration forces. The completed modular tunnel lining created the structural shield required to withstand extreme underground hydraulic pressure. Excavating the gigantic underground pressure regulation chamber required an enormous cavern capable of absorbing catastrophic floodwater volume. High-capacity crawler excavators continuously shape the underground basin floor, while temporary steel supports stabilize the cavern overhead. The immense underground storage vault functioned as a hydraulic buffer to slow destructive floodwater surges during typhoons.
はい、はい、そこに固定してくださいね。わかりましたね。記録しますよ。
Preparing the stabilized foundation floor established the structural base for future reinforced pillars and drainage infrastructure. Casting the gigantic monolithic support pillars required continuous hydraulic slipform pouring to prevent structural weakness between layers. These massive reinforced concrete columns were engineered to withstand enormous underground compression and groundwater uplift pressure.
Hold it right there. Watch the level. Understood. Moving slightly left now.
The primary structural role of the giant pillars was stabilizing the immense underground chamber ceiling against hydraulic forces. Synchronized hydraulic climbing systems maintained perfect vertical geometry throughout the continuous pillar casting operation. Installing massive hydraulic floodgates established mechanical boundary control across critical underground flood diversion junctions. Heavy hydraulic piston systems generated enormous structural clamping force against powerful floodwater pressure surges. Perfect guide track alignment and high durability sealing gaskets ensured absolute watertight isolation during emergency overflow conditions. Mechanically isolating the underground intake channels protected the downstream storage and pumping infrastructure from overload failure. Deploying the giant drainage machinery required anchoring massive gas turbine-driven centrifugal pumps onto reinforced foundations underground.
ゆっくり下ろしてください。あと少し左ですね。はい、はい、大丈夫ですね。固定してください。
These industrial turbine systems generated the enormous rotational force required to discharge catastrophic floodwater volumes. Specialized Japanese engineering crews used precision laser alignment systems to eliminate mechanical tolerance within the drive assemblies. Once activated, the integrated pumping network became the primary hydraulic defense protecting Tokyo from extreme flood overflow. Deploying the underground ventilation and electrical infrastructure established the operational life support network of the megastructure. Continuous heavy-duty cable distribution systems transferred electrical power from underground substations directly into the pumping facilities. Specialized Japanese engineering crews integrated armored switchgear and conduit systems to protect critical circuits from moisture intrusion. Massive axial ventilation systems maintain stable airflow conditions, preventing heat accumulation and hazardous gas concentration underground. Completing the secondary spillway infrastructure established controlled pathways for redirecting extreme underground floodwater surges. Massive counterweighted diversion gates regulated hydraulic flow automatically without relying on external electrical systems. Specialized Japanese engineering crews calibrated the manual override mechanisms to maintain emergency floodgate control reliability. The integrated spillway network optimized underground water velocity distribution before discharge into the primary evacuation channels. Calibrating automated monitoring systems marked the final structural verification phase before full hydraulic operation testing. Advanced rail-guided inspection crawlers mapped the completed underground vault geometry using multi-point laser profiling systems. Specialized Japanese engineering teams synchronize ruggedized telemetry networks to monitor long-term subterranean structural stress conditions.
Cable tension stable. Proceeding with ascent to target level.
Confirmed. Monitoring structural integrity now.
This persistent underground sensor grid continuously detected millimeter-scale deformation across the megastructure under extreme hydrostatic pressure. Controlled hydraulic flood simulation testing validated the synchronized operation of the underground gates, vaults, and pumping systems. Massive reinforced concrete pillars dissipated destructive floodwater energy before the high-velocity flow reached downstream infrastructure. Specialized Japanese engineering teams monitored real-time telemetry systems to verify stable hydrostatic pressure distribution underground. Japanese engineers continuously monitored real-time hydrological telemetry to verify stable floodwater behavior inside the active pressure chamber. After successful full-scale testing, the Tokyo GCAN's megastructure entered permanent operational standby to protect the capital from catastrophic flooding. Hidden beneath the streets of Tokyo, the GCAN's megastructure stands as one of humanity's greatest underground engineering achievements ever constructed. Inside these colossal concrete chambers, silent flood control systems remain permanently prepared to confront the destructive force of nature. Built with extraordinary precision, strength, and vision, Tokyo GCANs continues protecting millions of lives beneath the world's largest metropolis.
NextGen Machine Works. Building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.